You probably already know how important it is to drink enough water every day. It has been estimated that our body is 65% water. When we lose more liquids than we ingest, we get dehydrated and experience headaches, dry skin, dizziness, and fatigue. In the more severe cases, dehydration could lead to a loss of consciousness and fainting spells. Since water is so important for our bodies, have you ever stopped to think about what temperature it's best to drink it at? Normally, people prefer drinking cold water, but that might not be the best way. Here are some reasons why cold water may not be the best for you. It messes with your digestive system. Some studies performed with cold water have shown that drinking water and other beverages at low temperatures contract your blood vessels, which may harm your digestion and nutrient absorption. Furthermore, our body ends up having an additional task of regulating the water temperature, which uses up the energy that should be used digesting your food. The same thing happens when we exercise and sweat. Drinking cold water could harm our digestive system. It gets in the way of fat decomposition. It's not recommended to drink water while eating, and drinking cold water could even influence weight loss. Specialists have said that cold water solidifies the fat in your food, which makes it harder to break down. It increases the probability of your throat hurting. Our grandparents also knew another reason not to drink cold water. When we drink water at lower temperatures, we are more likely to experience throat pains and a stopped-up nose. Our body produces excessive mucus when in contact with cold water as a way to protect our airways. When they get congested, we become more vulnerable to inflammations and infections. It could reduce your heart rate. Studies have shown that cold water can also influence your heart rate. When you drink it, you stimulate your vagus nerve, which plays an important role in your heart rate. This could be very dangerous, especially when you exercise regularly. Now that you know what drinking cold water could do to your body, here are some of the benefits of drinking warm water. It improves your digestion. Just like cold water harms digestion, the opposite is also true. Drinking warm water before meals accelerates your metabolism, helps break down fats, and absorb nutrients. According to the British Homeopathy Association, drinking a cup of boiled water before breakfast cleanses your stomach and aids digestion. It improves your mood. A very interesting study showed that warm water can improve your mood and even make you more friendly. It sounds weird, doesn't it? Researchers theorize that the way our brain processes heat and the way we judge people are quite similar. A person who holds a mug with a warm beverage, such as coffee, is seen as a warmer person, unlike someone who holds a cold drink. It fights bad cholesterol and obesity. We've already shared this recipe on our channel due to its numerous benefits. Drinking warm water with some kind of citrus fruit like lemon or lime is beneficial for people with diabetes, since it reduces the impact of a meal on your blood sugar level. Studies have shown that this combination also reduces the level of bad cholesterol, improving blood flow. Reduces excessive mucus. As we have already said, cold water promotes excessive mucus production. On the other hand, warm water can reduce mucus buildup in the digestive tract, nose, and throat. In this way, we're less prone to infections. It relieves constipation. You know how your belly swells up for no reason? It may be because you're not drinking enough water. Drinking warm water on an empty stomach is great at regulating bowel movements. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.